In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change arrow size in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a board, draw an arrow, and adjust its size so your diagrams are clear and consistent. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Miro.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account and you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base for all boards and projects. From here, you'll look for the option to create something new. Click Create New to start a fresh canvas. This gives you a clean space where you can try things out without affecting any existing work. When the creation options appear, choose Board. A new board will open, typically with the toolbar on the left and your infinite canvas in the center. Give the board a second to load and make sure you can see the main toolbar. On the left toolbar, find the Shapes and Lines tool. It may show a rectangle or a line icon. Click it to expand the drawing tools. Within that menu, select the Arrow tool. With the arrow tool active, move your cursor onto the canvas and click and drag to draw your arrow. The direction you drag defines where the arrow points. If you want a straight arrow, try holding Shift while you drag to constrain the angle. If the board feels too zoomed in or out, adjust the zoom so you can see your arrow clearly. Once the arrow is placed, click on it to select it. You'll see handles appear on the ends and a context toolbar will show up near the selection or along the top. This is where you'll find the controls that change how your arrow looks. In that context toolbar, locate the line type or style controls. Clicking this opens options for stroke settings and arrowheads. This is the key area for changing size. To make the arrow line itself thicker or thinner, adjust the stroke weight. Increasing the stroke weight makes the entire arrow more prominent. Next, look for the arrowhead size settings. Depending on your version, you'll see sizes like small, medium, and large, or a slider. Choose the size that best fits your diagram. You can usually set the style and size on either end of the line, so if you need an arrowhead only on one side, set the other end to none. If you're aiming for consistent visuals across your board, note the exact stroke weight and arrowhead size you choose so you can reuse them. When you're happy with the result, you're done. Your changes save automatically. That's all there is to it. Open Miro, create a new board, draw an arrow, select it, open line type, and adjust the stroke and arrowhead size to get the look you want.